What's up, guys? We got another project going. It's gonna be a backsplash tile for this barn dominium that we just finished up. This is the last step that we need to do to complete this build. So I'm gonna be installing some tile sitting on that edge of the backsplash here. I'm gonna start here and we're gonna go up to right underneath the cabinets. This is the tile right here. It's like a Subway ceramic tile. So like on the edges, we're gonna do a sluta bar edge. It's only a couple edges here, edge here, and an edge over here. The kitchen backsplash is all finished up. So I put sluta bar on the edges, 45-degree cut the corners. That tile and grout complements the countertop pretty well.